What's happening, everybody? How we doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day. Happy Friday. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Welcome back. You made it. It's Friday. All right, guys, I want to show you a product here. Before we get into that, if you haven't checked out my projects to see what I've got going on, make sure you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info, peruse around and see some other affiliate programs that I'm promoting. All right. Now, before we get into that, we get into the good stuff. FTC disclaimer. Average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, make sure you visit HBA.net for much higher income amounts, because it takes work, skill, and commitment to get the results you want, right? You got to put the work in, because we don't have any spillovers, one-ups, pass-ups, any of that stuff. Here is direct sales. You're going to get paid by your efforts and your efforts alone. But with this program, you earn residual, right? You have a customer, you sign up customers here, you get paid month after month after month, as long as they keep their subscription, okay? So that's residual income. So that's the model they have here. 3 of the products is residual income based, and then they do have one product that's a one-time payment, no monthly fees, and you're able to earn commissions on that product, and that's what we're going to talk about today. All right, so for my folks to say, hey, I'm looking for some type of one-time commission type of product, right? Mid-ticket, high-ticket, what you got for me? So we do have that over here in the Home Business Academy, all right? So let's talk about it. Let's get into that. Let's see what we got. All right, we are logged in. Hang on. All right, so here we are. So we've got the company, Home Business Academy, first of all, has been around for 10 years. Solid company. They have never changed the comp plan the whole 10 years they've been around. It's 2 owners of the program, Mike and Paul. They are present. They are out front. They answer all questions. They are coaching and training 5 days a week. All right. The only program I know where the owners are out front answering everybody's questions 5 days a week, hands down, right? This is the hub, all right, for training and learning. This is not interfering with anything you're already promoting, guys. Matter of fact, this can help you build whatever business that you're trying to promote, because this is where you can learn. You get the skill over here, right? You get the coaching, the marketing, training, how to get leads, how to get sales over here, and you apply what you learn here to help you with that other business you have. So this is universal for anybody that's affiliate marketer, digital marketer out here trying to promote whatever you're trying to promote. Come over here and get some learning, get some training, all right? And while you're here, you're able to earn residual income on these 3 products. Let's Go, Funnel Builder, and Premium. Those 3 are the residual income products. Then you have financial literacy, which is what we're going to talk about today. Because with this one, you can earn those one-time commissions. For those of us that's been out here in the space, that's mostly the programs that I've joined over my tenure. I've had a few residuals here and there. But overall, I've been in the instant pay type of programs, digital programs. So with this one, this is what they're giving you here. A one-time payment. All right, but this is a course. This is a course, but it has 2 different payments you could receive. We're going to go over that in a minute. So financial literacy is the one we're going to talk about. So over here, check it out. Financial literacy is a digital education membership created to empower people with financial literacy so they can create economic stability in their lives. So again, you can check out this program here at www.coffeeandcoins.info. However, what I'm going to do is put a link specifically for the financial literacy in the description. Okay, it's not on their main page because it's not a residual income product. So there is a link that I will provide you in the description if you want to get this product. All right, so let's check it out. All right, so it includes expert courses. All right, this is created by a CPA attorney, okay, and Paul, this Financial Literacy Academy training course that you're going to be able to get access to. It includes what? Debt elimination, tax strategies for U.S. business owners, retirement planning strategies, records and bookkeeping with QuickBooks Online, how to build long-term cash flow with rental properties, stress-free property management, asset protection 101, business entity setup and maintenance, and more. And as I said, this was created, the trainer, the guest trainer for most of the modules is, well, many of those modules is Mark Kohler, a CPA attorney, best-selling author. There he is right there. All right. Now, let's see here. Hang on. All right. And we have a affiliate page that's coded to us if you purchase the product, right? You have to own the product to be able to resell the product to earn commissions with it. All right. So we have a special page coded to us. So I want to go over that right there on the Home Business Academy page, but let's go over to this one. Hey, this is the actual affiliate marketing page that we have that's coded to us in our system. All right, I'm going to show you where you can find it in your back office. So this is what the page looks like. How to stop money from being flushed down the toilet so you can actually build a life of wealth and enjoy the freedom you deserve. All right, so here it says here free sample content. Okay, and we're just going to thumb through it so you can see. Click here to buy the product. There's a button there. There's Paul right there talking about it as well. What else do you get when you buy this product? Financial Literacy 101, become and big picture overview. Okay, it breaks down everything that's going to be included in this course. As you can see right here, module 1, and it breaks down everything in module 1. All right, looks like module 1 has, looks like 6 lessons within that module. Module 2 is called Debt Elimination 101, and there's lessons. And it has, module 2 has 9 lessons in it. And module 3 is Tax Saving Strategy, U.S. Business Owners. Module 3 has 8 lessons in it, and you see the breakdown here. We're going to go into the back office. I'm going to show you more as well. This is just the page that, as an affiliate, that we're able to promote and share with others. This is the page you would be sharing. Module 4, retirement planning strategies. Within that module, you have 5 lessons. All right. Module 5, records and bookkeeping. It has 8 lessons. Module 6 is called Car Flipping 101. They also show you ways of earning, okay, different niches that you can get involved with. So module 6 is Car Flipping 101, and it has, let's see how many lessons in that one. It has 6 lessons in that one. Module 7 is called Passive Power Profits with Mobile Homes, and there is 4 lessons there. Module 8 is called House Flipping 101. Remember, this is a whole course, guys, with a lot of training in here. So module 8, House Flipping 101, has how many lessons? It has 6 lessons. Module 9, Entities and Asset Protection, and it's 5 lessons in that one. And that's the end of it on the page. Again, this is the page that you would be sharing with others that may be interested, that you're showing them, hey, you may want to check this out and possibly purchase this product. Now, before we go into the back office, this product retails for $1,000, okay? The financial literacy retails for $1,000, but you can get it for half off if you purchase one of the other 3 products. Remember, I told you there are 3 other products, right? Right here. Let's go Funnel Builder Academy and Premium. If you purchase one of those products and within 10 days, you get the 50% off. Okay? So you're able to get the financial literacy for $500. And the person that shared it with you, if they purchased the product, they would make $400, which is what happened to me today. Yay! Okay? Because I own the product. So when someone purchased it at the 50% discount, I earned $400 commissions. Now, the other commission that I wanted to talk about, right? If they purchase it at the $1,000, if they don't get the discount, if they let that pass by, the 10 days have gone by where you had the intro price, 10 days have gone by and they decide to purchase it later down the road, it's $1,000, right? So you would make $800, nothing to sneeze at. $400 is nothing to sneeze at, but $800, nice, right? So that's what I want to talk about with that. All right, so you can earn $400 and $800 commissions. There's no monthly fees on the financial literacy. It's not a residual product. It's a one and done. Okay. All right. So now you say, well, I purchased the product. What is it going to look like inside? All right. So I'm taking you inside. Okay. So now that you own the product inside, you'll see here the 4th tab is financial literacy. When you click it, here is the actual course right here. Right? It says financial literacy 101. Everything I just went over with you, now you have actual access to it right here within your dashboard. And remember, everything on the computer, you also, Home Business Academy has an app. So you'll be able to access this from your phone as well. All right, so here it is in the back office under financial literacy. Just click there and here's your product. Okay? And you can click right here where it says financial literacy. Essential financial knowledge foundations, and you click here and you see here's a video. Each one of those little boxes pops up with a video, welcome, and so forth, and it gives you it tells you what's included in each training lesson. They really break it down. All right, there's programs out here reselling digital old PLR guys for $2,000, $3,000. You mean to tell me $1,000 you're getting something really worth value? All right, that's really evergreen. It's not an old PLR product or old digital product sitting in your back office. You're getting a real course here. Okay, so for what some of the things that's out on the marketplace, I think this is a darn good deal. Even if it was just $1,000 that you'd have to pay and be able to make $800 compared to some of the stuff that's out here I've seen in the marketplace, right? And then you've got training and everything here. You got live coaching, all types of things. There is also, let me click off of here. There is a Facebook group. See, a private Facebook group for this training, for this mastermind. Okay, you see it's coded here. It's hidden. All right. So see right here, join the Facebook group. I'm already in it. So you're getting a real course, real course. So anyway, I wanted you to see the inside of the back office. Now, where is your link for it? Once you sign up, just click affiliate, right? And you're like, well, where's my link for this? Because I want to start promoting it and sharing it. Let me show you. Hang on. You click on affiliate, click on my business, then you click on my links. Come in here and you come down. I think it's on that second page. Click more. HBA right here. Financial Literacy Academy. Here is your link. Okay, guys? And I'm going to put my link in the description of this video. But this is a product that the Home Business Academy offers where you can earn $400 and $800 commissions. Okay, so today I earned a $400 commission for this product. Okay, shout out to one of my new members for purchasing the product. Yes, that's awesome. Okay, so now that she's purchased it, guess what? Everybody that goes to her link, she'll be able to do the same thing. She's able now to earn $400 commissions and $800 commissions. Awesome. Now I'm going to open this up. You see, it was at 1:30 this afternoon while I was minding my business. I saw this email pop up. Boom, you made a sale, so I clicked it. Check it out. All right, hang on. Okay, see, this is what it says, and I'm going to go down here. Hang on. All right, see right there, it says product, Financial Literacy Academy, new sale, $400. Yay! All right, so if that's you, you're looking for the mid-ticket type of commissions, $400, $800 commissions, and or also looking to earn residual. Go check it out. Again, it's a separate link for financial literacy, so I'm going to put that link in the description separately. But if you're interested in joining the Home Business Academy with one of these other programs as well, make sure you go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. That link is in the description as well. And remember, I said we've got 3 products you can choose from: Let's Go, Funnel Builder Academy, and Premium. So you're going to be able to earn from Let's Go is $10 a month. You earn $8 commissions. Funnel Builder Academy is $25 a month. You earn $20 commissions. The Premium is $125 a month. You earn $100 commissions. Okay, those 3 are residual. The financial literacy is one and done, and they pay out every Thursday, by the way, because you may be asking, well, when do they pay? You don't have to worry about any payment gateways of your own. The company is going to pay you direct deposit every Thursday. If you have any commissions the week before, you'll get paid on the next week. All right, guys. That's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.